Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video I am going to show how to enter in a BIOS. If you don't know your BIOS key, or if you are pressing the BIOS key and not able to access the BIOS, so I will tell you the easy way to find out how you can do that. For that, click on the start menu here. You can see the option like this. Then click on the setting option. Okay. Once you click on setting option, click on the update and security option, which is the last option here. And after that, you need to go for a recovery option. This is the recovery option. You need to click on that. Once you click on this option, you should see the startup setting. Okay, you need to click on restart now in order to open the system in advanced mode so that we can access the BIOS. Click on restart and it is restarting now. Okay, once you click on the restart, you should see the more options like this. You need to click on this option, troubleshoot. Then click on again advanced option. Now you will see 6 options. Okay, you need to choose this option, UEFI firmware setting. You need to click on this option in order to enter in a BIOS. Now click on the restart option here. Now I have got couple of options to enter in a BIOS key. Okay, you can see the app 10 is for BIOS setup. So I am going to press app 10 on my keyboard. This is the app 10 key. Okay, now I have enabled the administrator password. So let me type this. Boot your system from the CD, DVD or other thing. You can do that. You can see. Okay, so this is how you can access the BIOS easily on your Windows PC. Whichever version you are using, you can try this method. So hope your issue resolved now and you are able to access the BIOS. If this video helps you, if yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.